This is a Pinpoint Weather 12 weather alert.
I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center with a severe weather alert. We've been tracking severe thunderstorms over the border in northeastern Connecticut. They've had a history of some wind damage, and now a newly issued severe thunderstorm warning has now been issued for northern Rhode Island. It's these cells in northeastern Connecticut, this area in red, which is near Killingly, Connecticut. The storm has been showing some signs of rotation. There have been some tornado warnings in effect over the border in central Connecticut. There's no tornado warning with this cell, but the fact that it's rotating gives us some concern. So we're going to watch the situation very closely, regardless of whether or not a tornado is actually spawned from this particular storm along Route 395 in Killingly. The potential is still there for some wind damage as it tracks east and northeast in between Route 6 and Route 44 up towards Foster in the northwest corner of the state. This is where the severe thunderstorm warning is located right now for the areas in red. It's not a tornado warning, but a severe thunderstorm warning. However, behind that storm system, there is a tornado warning in central Connecticut, and we point that out because the atmosphere is conducive for possible short-lived tornadoes. Even though we do not have a tornado warning right now, it is something that we're going to watch very closely. Numerous cloud-to-ground lightning strikes over the border now, getting ready to cross into northwestern Rhode Island. And here's that storm system once again, getting real close. And what the Doppler radar can do is actually look at velocity, wind speed, and not only tell us not just the wind speed, but also the direction to see whether or not the air is spinning. And we've seen some subtle hints of rotation along Route 395 and out towards Killingly, Connecticut. So anytime we see this kind of a signature, we do watch these storms with some caution as far as possible tornado development. Even though the chance is slight, the chance is there. This is tracking east and northeast, Route 101, 102, Gloucester, Foster, Gloucester, Route 44, and Route 6. This is tracking off, getting ready to cross the Connecticut-Rhode Island border very shortly as it tracks off to about 25 miles per hour east-northeast. So potential impacts now through about 9 o'clock this evening: hail, flash flooding due to torrential rain, strong straight-line winds, what we call microbursts, and that risk of a tornado is there even though it's very slight. Severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for the entire area until 9 o'clock this evening. So while most of the action right now is in the northern part of the state, other locations have the potential to see some isolated thunderstorms developing. Here's the severe thunderstorm watch. The areas in yellow, all of southern New England until 9 o'clock this evening. So that's the concern in the short term. Northeast Connecticut, northwest Rhode Island. The next hour, should any additional warnings be issued, we'll be sure to interrupt programming and give you all the important information. That's the latest from the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. We'll talk to you soon.
Stay with Eyewitness News and WPRI.com for updates on this Pinpoint Weather 12 weather alert.